What happens with a lot of people in credit repair when you end up giving up, a lot of it has to do with failure, right? You're sending these letters out, you're mailing these letters out, and you're not getting the results that you need. A lot of times being inside of a community of like-minded individuals, look at what is being said. Look at the thresh lines with regards to people. Look at the positive stuff. Look at the negative stuff. A lot of times when you're ready to give up, being part of a community is what's going to help catapult you forward to send that next round of letters or to do that next thing that's been difficult for you that will actually push you over to the next level.